Love is literally blind. It doesn't seem to matter what other people say to your lover. He or she is always perfect in your eyes. Men fall in love faster than women. Women take 15 days, men just 8 seconds. Heartbreak after true love is equally painful as physical pain. Love is a drug and it is as addicting as cocaine. Once you have it, it's hard to stop it. You will always want more. People loving people of the opposite nature last for a longer period of time than loving people of a similar nature. Just by looking at the picture of your beloved one, you can feel a sense of relief. The one who cries with you in your pain can never leave you. Some people can't bear the loss of beloved ones and eventually die after a few months and years due to mental or physical illness. You always relate to a person you love with your best songs. People say that trust is very important in a relationship. But it's a false concept. Time is the most important thing. With time grows trust, friendship, and an inseparable bond between your partner and you. Talkative girls and silent boys make the best couples. Not speaking with the one you love for more than 48 hours can make you feel homesick. True love can wait for more than 10 years to get in a relationship with the one they love. Sometimes it's even more than 50 years. Appearance and social status doesn't matter at all if you have liked someone due to their good behavior or good personality. Tears due to loved ones cause the most painful feeling in our lives. Unexpected and unplanned stories of love last for a longer time. Just by looking in the eyes of a stranger more frequently can lead them and you both fall in love. Studies show that on average, a crush lasts only 4 months. If the crush still continues, it means you are in love. A relationship should last more than 4 months to be a true love story. It takes 15 months and 27 days to forget someone you love with all your heart. Being loved back by the person you love exactly feels like having butterflies in the stomach. When a guy likes a girl, he'll look her in the eye. When a girl likes a guy, she'll look away. You are more likely to be easily attracted to someone you have no chance with. Most of people can't make eye contact with their crush. A woman who makes him feel like a man is the woman a man falls for. Most of the time, boys make the first move. But if a girl does it, then, believe me, no one can love you more than that girl. If a person sings a beautiful song for you, then he can never cheat on you. Because feelings expressed with love can never cheat. You really love him/her, right? Did I mention a name? No, I didn't. But still, you thought of that person. It's a typical psychological reaction.